So, welcome back to the channel, folks. I've got some exciting news to share. Facebook has rolled out a pretty slick strategy to help you make money online just by uploading videos. Yes, you heard me right. You can now earn from each and every video you upload on Facebook. Pretty cool, huh? Facebook came up with this brilliant idea to attract more users and keep them engaged on their platform. Smart move, right? Today, I'm going to walk you through what this is all about, how to make money with it, and how to become eligible for this particular program to earn money online from your Facebook videos. But before we dive into the strategy, if you're new to my channel, feel free to scroll through the channel. There are plenty of videos to help you make money online. I usually create content on how to boost your income through various online methods. So, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is turned on. This way, you'll always get alerted whenever I release new videos to help you earn more online. Now, with that said and without further ado, let's dive into today's video. As I mentioned, you can earn money with Facebook videos, any video you upload on Facebook, to be precise. This is made possible through a platform called Meta in-stream ads. With Meta in-stream ads, you can easily make money by placing short ads in your high-quality videos. These videos can be either live or on demand. So, all you need to do is add some cool ads to your Facebook videos. Take a look at this section. Want to start earning from your live or on-demand video content? Try the in-stream ads, including the pre-roll, mid-roll, and banner ad formats. These are the available formats for in-stream ads, pre-roll, mid-roll, and banner ads. You can include ads without overwhelming your audience, and you maintain control over the flexibility of the ads you use in your videos. This makes it easy to monetize your videos and start earning significant income from them. So, it's pretty simple and straightforward. Check out more details about this program and start earning with your Facebook videos today. As you can see, you could experiment with short-form content by generating clips from longer videos. Videos that inspire person-to-person interaction, such as talking directly to your audience, tend to receive stronger distribution. Note that you can ensure in-stream ads fit naturally within your content, and you could monetize your entire backlog of eligible video content right now. Yes, even those ancient videos you uploaded years ago. Time to put them to work. Now, you can easily go live and get paid for your videos right here. So, let's dive into the wonders of in-stream ads with Brian Christopher Slots. You can check out more details on using pre-roll ads, which play before the video starts. Picture it, a captive audience eagerly waiting for your live stream, and boom, there's your ad. Then there are the mid-roll ads, which play smack in the middle of your video. These little gems keep viewers engaged and make them watch that ad before they can continue with their binge watching. And don't forget about the banner ads, those nifty little ads displayed at the bottom of the video. It's a subtle way to keep your audience informed and entertained while they watch. Now, here's a fun fact. In-stream ads helped a makeup artist increase her video earnings by 4 times. That's right, 4 times the moolah. So, check out all these details about the platform and start earning some cool cash. You might be wondering, how do I join this program and start raking in the dough from my Facebook videos? It's easier than you think. Just head over to Facebook, go to your profile page, click on those 3 little dots, and look for the section that says Turn on Professional Mode. If you click on Turn on Professional Mode, you'll see this delightful pop-up informing you that you can get paid for your content, grow your audience, and gain insight into your content. Just flip that switch on. Once activated, another pop-up will welcome you to the professional mode. Click on Start Exploring, and you'll be whisked away to a page that looks something like this. Now, on this page, you'll see a professional dashboard for your Facebook account. It's like a command center for all your social media ambitions. You'll find an overview of your videos, including the professional profile overview, post reach, post engagement, and new followers over the last 28 days. It's like having a mini stock market for your content. This new account setup lets you dive into your home, profile, content, audience, and a whole lot more cool stuff. It's your personal playground for data nerds. However, keep in mind that to join this elite club, you need at least 10,000 followers on your Facebook profile page. Yes, 10,000. And that's not all. You also need 600,000 total minutes viewed in the last 60 days. Among these, 60,000 minutes must be from live videos. It's like running a marathon. but for video content. Once you meet these requirements, you can join the Facebook in-stream ads program. Adding ads to your videos during the upload process can be a game changer. Just sprinkle in some cool ads, and watch the money roll in as viewers flock to your content. So, give it a try. If you want more strategies to make money online, check out the other videos on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That's all for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.